Let's see what we can get done today. All right, so we just left off with cutting up the spare shell that I have. Wow, that's crazy. And now I'm going to prep my car to be cut in a similar way. So I'm going to start with trying to remove all of the wiring out of the way. But there's a couple electrical boxes that are stuck. So I might end up having to use the frame puller to try and free those up. Even though this one looks crushed, I still need the connector, you know what I mean? Alright, well that wasn't working too well. So now we're gonna go to plan B. Dang. Well, my Sawzall doesn't work anymore, so that sucks. Maybe from cutting up that car in the freezing temperatures, might have just fried it. I don't know, but you know it's old when the case for it is made out of metal, which is so cool. Do you think it still works? Oof. Dude, how did my car run with everything just exploded? Yeah, I guess it just ran on literally hopes and dreams. Can't get this door connector off. I guess we're gonna have to make another cut. Oh no. I forgot that this harness got pinched inside the quarter panel. Well, looks like we're making another pull. All right, so we've got our hole. And now I'm going to bolt the chain to the quarter panel. We'll use this big washer to try and cover as much surface area as we can. Alright, so we've got our nut and bolt all secured. Now we pull it. Wow, that moved a lot. And the harness is almost free. I might just be able to pry the last piece of the harness out. Alright, so now I'm going to take passenger side off of the frame rack so I can cut off the rocker panel. I'm going to try and start pulling the floorboard back. So we're going to move some jacks around. Alright, so we have freed this frame rack mount that was holding the pinch weld. Now we're going to cut off the rocker. We'll probably start with just to here. We're going to use this to pull as much of this out as we can, and then we'll go from there. One piece at a time. Alright, we're getting somewhere. At least the seatbelt's still good. Well, that straightened out a lot.
Yeah.
Alright, the back seat bolt didn't work quite how I anticipated, so we're going to use this clamp instead. right, we're gonna move this over a little bit just to try and pull out as much of this floor as we possibly can. I may have pulled it a little too far on that one, on a really thin spot of metal. That's all right. That's another reason why you probably should never jack up an S chassis from the pinch weld. This is literally the pinch weld.